Team BCPS is breaking ground on another school. Deer Park Elementary School held its official groundbreaking on Monday, November 20th. County, state officials, and the school community gathered for the beginning of Maryland's first net zero elementary school.
3, 2, 1.
What a wonderful day it is, and indeed, as Dr. Savoy said, in this season of thanks, we have much to be grateful for here in Baltimore County, and today is yet another incredible milestone in our journey together.
Deer Park Elementary School, the current structure has served us well for many decades, several generations. The students continue to excel, the staff is working hard, and so this new building with all of the new high-tech technology being our first net zero building in the school system is exciting, and it gives the students and staff a place to continue their great work and to let the community know how invested we are.
The community is going to be so fortunate to have the replacement school as well, because we'll have the opportunity to have more things going on for them in regards of more resources for them. We're going to expand our pantry, want to include clothing, maybe possibly a barber shop in our special places, and a laundry room for parents that need to come in and wash clothes to do that as well. So I'm just so excited for what this school can do for our community and what it'll have in store for our children.
The $70.6 million new replacement school will expand the school capacity from 431 seats to 735 seats and increase the school's footprint to more than 102,000 square feet. It will also produce as much energy as it consumes each year. Everyone is looking forward to its opening in 2025.